Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a lobster hook bracelet. First, let's gather our essential supplies. You will need about 24 inches of marine-grade cord, which is super durable. A sturdy lobster hook clasp, approximately 1 inch in length, is also key. Don't forget your sharp scissors, a ruler for precise measurements, and a lighter to seal the cord ends. Having everything ready makes the crafting process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's prepare our cord for crafting. Begin by measuring your marine-grade cord to approximately 24 inches. This length provides enough material for most wrist sizes, allowing for knots and adjustments. Once cut, carefully use a lighter to melt each end of the cord. This crucial step prevents any fraying, ensuring your bracelet remains neat and durable for a long time. Always exercise caution when using a flame. Next, we will attach the lobster hook and create the loop. Take one end of your prepared cord and thread it through the small eye of your lobster hook clasp. Secure this with a tight overhand knot, ensuring the clasp is firmly in place. On the opposite end of the cord, form a loop that is just large enough for the lobster hook to pass through comfortably. Use a secure knot, such as a diamond knot, to hold this loop shape. For our final steps, let's perfect your bracelet. Carefully trim any excess cord very close to your knots, leaving just a tiny bit. Then, gently melt these trimmed ends with your lighter to prevent any unraveling, creating a smooth, finished look. Finally, test the lobster hook clasp with the loop to ensure it opens and closes securely and fits comfortably on your wrist. Congratulations! Your unique handmade bracelet is now ready to be enjoyed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.